It's time to upgrade your wet vac's performance. Introducing Muk Buddy, the filter alternative built to take on dust, debris, slop, muck, and whatever else life throws your way. Clogged filters reduce suction and airflow, requiring frequent cleaning or replacement. That costs time and money. And that sucks. Muk Buddy attaches to the input valve inside the body of the vacuum, capturing debris to keep your filter clean and extend your motor's life with or without removing the factory filter. The Muk Buddy can handle fine dust, coarse materials, and wet debris without removing the stock filter or changing anything inside the vacuum. Its design allows for easy removal and unzipping for quick debris disposal. No need to lift the entire vacuum to dump out debris. Got wet muck? Simply empty wet materials, rinse the Muk Buddy, and resume work. Made in America and built with materials tough enough for the trades, Muk Buddy makes every job cleaner, faster, and easier, including those messes at home. Get your Muk Buddy today. Don't take on any cleanup without your buddy. Muk Buddy.